How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have this 2013 Audi A4. I'm gonna replace the lower control arm, this guy right here. So it's making some noise. My customer already checked the car. He take it to a shop. They told him to replace this, so I'm saving that time because I don't have to check it. I'm just gonna replace it. The only difficult part is gonna be this bolt joint. It's gonna be kind of difficult to remove. I have the tool right here. Bolt joint separator 27308. So let me jack up the car, remove the tire so we can get to the lower control arm. Pick and hook just to remove the cover. Get that out. Here on the bottom you have a 21mm. You have to remove that one, and you can remove the panels on the bottom, but because we're just replacing this arm, I don't have to. I'm gonna try to get to the bolt without removing the panels. Now I can use my tool to get to this bolt joint. It's gonna make a loud noise when it pops, so be careful on this step. Okay guys, so I get the lower bolt joint out. This tool, it didn't do it. It was bending really bad, so I can't get it out with it. I use my baby. I hit it on the stud. I hit it right there on the thread, as you can see, but when you do that, most of the times it pull out the sleeve. Now I'm gonna have to remove the whole control arm from over there, take it to the shop to get it out, and then bring the sleeve back and put it on the car. I need to remove this cover to get more leverage. There is one clip in here, retaining clip. We need to get this one out. Then we have one bolt here on top. Now with this cover out of the way, I'm gonna have more leverage to remove this bolt. That's an 18mm. I have a wrench in here. I have a ratchet on the other side. Not a lot of room to work in here, but it's doable. Okay guys, this bolt is almost out. All in new. My customer bought this control arm on Amazon, and this is the nut that it came with. If you notice the difference between that and that, I have to use the stock one back on it because this one has the washer, so I don't want to chip out on that one. I don't know about this control arm, so the customer get it I didn't purchase the part, but I gotta use this one. Now I have to figure it out. Probably I'm gonna have to take it to the shop where I work and get the sleeve out, because that's the real nightmare. You can see in there, that's where the sleeve goes. That's what happens when you can't get it out. For now, I'm gonna put the control arm inside, so you have to make sure that you line them up, and then you can just push it in with the hammer. Just gonna tap it to go inside. Once you think you have it center, you can put the bolt. I went to a shop and I get the sleeve out, so we just gotta press it in. I went to rent a kit to push the sleeve in, but I didn't have it at AutoZone. I went there, so I bought this jaw puller, so I grabbed only this piece from the jaw puller. So I put the bolt through it from this bolt joint separator as well. I put it through and I'm just cranking out, pushing it down. I had to get creative on this step. I changed my setup. I put this wrench in here, so it was messing up the threads in here, but it's going in. We're almost done with this step, so the difficult part is already complete. As you can see, the sleeve is going in, no problems. Yep, we got it. So now, gotta remove this thing. Oh, if you don't get creative sometimes on some of the jobs, it's gonna be more difficult. But when you have the right tool, it makes everything a lot easier. I have a pry bar on the front side. I'm gonna push on the pry bar so I can get the control arm in. Now it's in. I'll put the lug nut in it just to make sure it stays in place. First thing, I'm gonna tighten up those bolts over there, 18mm on both sides, and torque it to spec. You have to put load on the suspension, so I put it to right high before you start tightening up those bolts. On those over there, we want to tighten them up to 51 foot-pounds of torque, and then we want to do 180 degrees. So get it to 51 foot-pounds and then turn the nut on this side 180 degrees. 51 foot-pounds. Then you gotta do 180 degrees. All right. Now this one on the bottom, we have to do 103 foot-pounds. And there you have it. Installation is done. Now I gotta put the tire back on and get everything ready, tested. Okay guys, so now test drive and this installation is done. I hope you like this episode. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.